Shout out to the Lego group for giving me this set for my participation in it.
What's up, Lego fanatics? Iceberg here, and we are back with another Lego review. One of my favorites, it's Lego City. This is set number 60508. It's the police train heist. All right, this set's going to come in at 1,313 pieces. Going to cost you just under $200 at the bank. Readily available March 1st, 2026. This one comes with a motorized train with a remote. All right, as you can see, we get our motorized engine right here. We got a helicopter, which is our antagonist right here. And we have our getaway car over here, and along with some other flat cars. Here's your remote right here. Let's have some Lego City fun.
I have a call back for 8622 Central. Negative, K, nothing further. Just take Gabby on the corner.
Let me know in the comments if this is good for you. I'll catch you on the next review.